Exercise 1-4. Question number 1. Determine whether the graph given below represent functions. Give reason for your answers concerning each graph. First one, second, third and fourth. Solution for first one. Take first graph. This is the first graph. Take that graph and draw a line perpendicular to x-axis. Draw a line perpendicular to x-axis. Now the vertical line cuts the curve at 2 points. This vertical line cuts this curve at 2 points. If the vertical line cuts the curve at more than 1 point, then the curve does not represent a function. Here, this vertical line cuts at 2 points. Vertical line cuts the curve at 2 points. That means more than 1 point. This is the condition for the curve does not represent a function. Therefore, by this vertical line test, we can say given curve does not represent a function. Here vertical line cuts at 2 points. That means more than 1 point. Therefore, we can say this graph does not represent a function. Here, by an arrow diagram, we can see. Here, take a value here. Let it be -1. This is x-axis. Here we can take -1 or -2. Any number can be taken here. For example, take -1. Therefore, here x takes the value -1. This is domain. Then take corresponding y values. Here -1. Here the cutting point. Here y value may be 2, maybe 2 plus 2 here on y-axis. Here may be plus 2. Here let it be -2. Then put the arrow mark from -1 to +2 and -1 to -2. Here the value x has, or the element of domain, has 2 images in codomain. Therefore, this curve or this arrow diagram does not represent a function. Then second question. What is second graph? This is second graph. Take that graph. This is the graph. Then again draw a vertical line. Vertical line. Here this vertical line cuts the curve at 1 point, only 1 point. 1 point. Therefore, so the curve represents a function. Draw an arrow diagram. Here, take x is equal to 2. Here, we can take 2 or 3 or any number can be taken here. For example, take x is equal to 2. This is domain. Then take the values of y or codomain. Here corresponding value. Here cutting point. This is a cutting point. Corresponding y values. Y value maybe 3. Take 3 here. Then put arrow mark from 2 to 3. Here only one image or unique image. Therefore, we can say this arrow diagram represents a function, or this graph represents a function. Then third one. What is third one? This is the graph. Third graph. Take that third graph. Then again draw a vertical line like this. This line is perpendicular to x-axis or vertical line. This is vertical line. Here the vertical line cuts the curve at more than 1 point. Here also more than 1 point. That means curve at the vertical line cuts the curve at 2 points. That means more than 1 point. So the given curve does not represent a function. Then fourth one. What is fourth graph? This is fourth graph. Take that fourth one. Then draw a vertical line again. This vertical line cuts the curve or line. This is not curve actually. This is straight line. Therefore, the curve or given curve means here given line at 1 point, only 1 point. So the given line represents a function.